Well, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with exercise 3.6 in which we will be learning how to do the estimation. Estimation is just like you have to give the approx value instead of giving the actual value. In Hindi we used to say lagbhag, so that lagbhag is your estimation in the maths. Today we'll be learning how to round a number to thousands. However, a number can be rounded to your tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs even. It depends on the condition given to you, right? Directly starting with the question. Estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest thousand. These are the numbers which are given to you. You have to round them to the nearest thousand and find the actual difference. Actual difference means you will be doing the actual subtraction, means you will be doing the subtraction of the numbers given to you, right? And for each of the following and complete the table. It is a kind of table given to you in your book. First is your sum. In the column of sum you are given the questions. Then you have to write down the rounded number. However, in your book at the place of rounded they have written rounding number. So correct it. It should be rounded number. So you will be writing numbers after rounding it. Then estimated difference, the difference of the rounded numbers. Actual difference means the difference of the numbers which are actually given to you. And then is the estimation close or not? Estimation close or not, this you will be understanding while doing the question. Suppose this is the question 5623 minus 2365. For the actual difference you have to do the actual subtraction, right? So I have written in the place value terms, then 5623, 5623, 2365, 2365. The actual difference, do the ordinary subtraction. 3 minus 5 not possible, take the carry. 13, 13 minus 5 8. Then 11, 11 minus 6 is your 5. Here 5, 5 minus 3 is your 2, and from 5, 5 minus 2 is your 3. Right, so this is your actual difference that you will write in the column this. Now next comes to your rounded or the estimated numbers. See, your rounding place is 1000 because you have to do the rounding to the 1000. So come to this number, then check the number just to the right of it. If the number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, if the number is greater or equal to 5, then add 1 to the number at the thousands place and make rest the digit 0. So here you can see 6 which is greater than 5, therefore add 1 to your number at the thousand place, means 5 plus 1 is your 6, and make rest all the digits 0. Now coming to the second number, again this is your rounding place. Next right to this is 3. This 3 is less than 5, therefore leave this number as it is and make rest all the numbers to the right of it 0. So 2 will remain as it is and all the numbers right of it will be 0. In this way you have to do the rounding. Right, now do the subtraction of this. 6 minus 2 is your 4 and 0 will come as it is. So this is your estimated difference. Estimated difference you will write here. Rounded numbers 6000 minus 2000 you will write here like this. Now coming to this, is the estimation close? What you have to do now, you have to do the subtraction of this estimated difference and the actual difference. If this difference is coming more than 500, then your estimation is not close. If it is coming less than 500 or even equal to 500, it is close. So here it is clear that the difference is more than 500, in between 4000 and 3258. Therefore estimation is not close. I have done one more part for you. Here is the fifth part of the question I have done. 6987 minus 5698. So the actual difference, you have to do the subtraction of the actual numbers. Again write it in the place value term and do the subtraction. So actual difference is going to be 1289. Now coming to the rounded. See, this is your rounding position or the rounding place. Check the number right to this. So 9 is greater than 5, therefore add 1 to this rounding place. So 6 plus 1 will give you 7, rest all the digits will be your 0. Now coming to your this number 5, this is the rounding place or the rounding place value. Then check the number just right to it. It is 6 which is greater than 5, therefore add 1 to this rounding place, that is 5 plus 1 will give 6, and rest all the digits should be 0. So rest all the digits 0. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 6 is your 1, rest all 0, so 1000. So this 1000 is your estimated difference. This will come in your estimated difference column. Rounded, these numbers will come in your rounding columns, and 1289 will come in the column of your actual difference. Now for the fourth column, that is the estimation is close or not, check the difference of these two. Definitely you can see the difference is less than 500, therefore the estimation is close. In this way you have to do the remaining parts of the question or of the exercise. That's all for today. Have a good day.